This is by White Lotus Amanvana Home of Centuries right here in Devanahalli, just 10 minutes from Kempagoda International Airport.
What if luxury doesn't mean noise? What if your home wasn't surrounded by traffic but by silence, trees, fresh airs, and space to breathe? Just a short drive from the city, hidden in the fast growing corridor of Devanahalli, lies something incredible rare. Not another crowded apartment, not another glass tower, but a private sanctuary designed for people who have already achieved success and now searching for peace. Welcome to Amanvana Home of Centuries, crafted by White Lotus Group. Amanvana is not designed like a typical real estate project. It is designed like a retreat, like old Bangalore fields, spread across nearly 14 acres in North Bangalore with only 95 exclusive villas. This is a low-density luxury community created for people who value privacy over chaos, space over congestion, and experience over square feet. Every detail here is intentional. The architecture, the openness, the greenery, even the way natural light enters your home. Because Amanvana isn't trying to impress anyone. It's built for a selected few. At Amanvana, every villa feels like a house and more like a private luxury resort. The community features spacious 4 BHK ultra luxury villas designed with modern tropical architecture. Large open layouts, floor to ceiling windows, private green spaces, natural ventilation, and interiors that blur the line between indoor and outdoor living. Imagine waking up every morning to sunlight pouring into your bedroom, stepping into your private garden with a cup of coffee. No honking, no concrete jungle, no cramped surrounding, just calmness. And this is exactly what makes Amanvana different from the most luxury projects in the Bangalore today. Most projects sells luxury. Amanvana sells peace. The philosophy behind Amanvana revolves around one powerful idea: a home should heal you. That's why the entire community is built around wellness-inspired living. Lush, landscaped pathways, open green pockets, tree-linked avenues, meditation spaces, jogging tracks, yoga zones, clubhouse experience designed not for crowd but for meaningful living. This isn't a place where you come back after work and shut yourself inside. This is a place where life slows down, where your kids can actually play outdoor, where evening feels peaceful again, where weekends don't require an escape from the city because your home already feels like one. And while Amanvana feels disconnected from the city chaos, it remains deeply connected to Bangalore's future. Located in the rapidly growing corridor of North Bangalore near IVC Road and Devanahalli, the project enjoys and the proximity to one of the India's biggest growth stories. With connectivity to Kempagoda International Airport, major highways, business hubs, international schools, premium healthcare, and upcoming infrastructure corridors, this isn't just a luxury home purchase, it's positioning yourself in the next major growth corridor of of Bangalore. And that's exactly why high net worth buyers and long-term investors are closely watching this region. Luxury today is no longer about owning bigger spaces, it's about owning rarer experiences. And in the city where high-rise density is increasing every year, communities like Amanvana are becoming incredible scarce. Only 95 villas, a boutique low-density ecosystem, a design-first luxury philosophy, and a location with long-term appreciation potential. This combination creates something powerful. A home you will love living in today and an asset that could become significantly more valuable tomorrow. At some point in time, success changes. You stop chasing louder things and start searching for calmer ones. More space, more privacy, more balance, more meaning. Amanvana is built for the chapter of life. A place where architecture meets nature, where luxury meets wellness, and where your home finally likes a sanctuary. This is not just another villa project in Bangalore, this is Amanvana, home of centuries. If you like this project, connect with Damani Consulting today to get more pricing, availability, floor plans details. We'll directly send it into your DMs and we'll connect a short call with you to discuss on the project. If you're also a property searcher or loving these kind of properties, connect with Damani Consulting today to get your dream home with us.